If you're anything like me, you love data. So reports is one of the most exciting features of your CRM, right? So here at Pipeline, we're always evolving our product and making it better. So today I'm going to show you what's new in reports. So first of all, we've got a brand new way to look at all of your reports. It's called views. So what we're looking at right now is individual reports, and they're all consolidated here together on one dashboard, which is incredible. And I know what you're thinking, Chelsea, that's me, that's my name, Chelsea, maybe I don't want to see these reports. And the beautiful thing about this is you can move them around, you can adjust them, and you can change what you see here. One of the cooler functions that I love about this view is that you can dynamically update with the click of one button. So check this out, select date range. Let's look at this quarter, and it's all gonna dynamically update. And if you want something super specific, there's a custom view right here. What if you wanna build your own report and plop it here? Can you do that? Definitely, totally can. So we come over here and you can create a view and you can build your own view from scratch with reports you want to see, either default reports that we're providing or reports that you've built. By the way, all of these reports that you see here, these come by default, so you don't have to build these. I certainly didn't. So with our new reports and views, all of these come totally standard. And then the beautiful thing about these is if you wanted to, you can click into any of these and really drill down and play with your data. If I, for instance, if I wanted to change this around, if I made, changes here, then I can come up here and I can save the view, save as new view, and then this will appear in over here in my views, new view. And then if I wanted to go back for any reason, I've got the default here. And if I wanted to share this with someone else, I just simply click on the share. And to make reporting and team meetings even easier, you can download a PDF and bring this to your next team meeting. And if you're a Grow user with Pipeline, you can schedule certain views to be sent right to your inbox. So think about that sales meeting that you have every Friday morning at 9 o'clock. You can schedule something to be sent at 8 o'clock, so it's in your inbox, ready to go by the time that you meet with your team. So I could send it every Friday at 8 a.m., send to me, Chelsea, and I can choose PDF or PNG. So we're really excited to bring you these new views where you can see multiple reports in a single view. You can customize it, you can configure it, you can save it, you can share it. It's highly flexible, just like everything else in Pipeline. So take a look, let us know what you think. If you don't have a Pipeline account, you can try it free for 14 days. And as always, reach out to us if you need help.